Okay, let's make it 300. Okay, so this thing is not having any effect on it, so actually it has effect on it, but this left one is taking the available space according to the dimension of the image. Let's change this one to the size of this image which is showing here is 166 multiplied by 153. So I will apply the same dimensions here. Width is 166 and height is 153 dp. And what are the dimensions of this one? This one has 349, but actually it's the whole area of that, maybe I think 349 322 349 322 height. Okay, so now the size of these is perfect, so they just need to aligned to the left and right border of the screen. So for that we will use horizontal arrangement and space around, space between, which will put the all space between these two components. Okay, but still having this issue here. This is because we have give the fixed width to these images, but in our Figma design this circle is out of the border of the screen. That's why it's showing here just like this here. So let's change the scale property of this image. Inside, what is the name of this one? It's content scale. Okay, so the crop is working fine here, so I will apply the crop on this one as well. Okay, this is okay. Nearly okay. Okay, and the top shadow is taking this amount of space. So let's find out the dimensions. These are double to 7 and 209. So width is double to 7, double to 7. Height is 209 dp. So this is, so now it need to be on the right side of the screen. For that, there's alignment property here. So I will use this one. So we are not able to set the alignment property to this image component here. This is because some of the components don't allow different kind of alignments to its child. Like in the column, we are not able to set this property to start, and so there are two ways to achieve this. Like we need, if we want to make this image to the right of the screen. For first thing is, I will wrap this into a row and uh, make the horizontal arrangement of the row to the end. And the next is I will make the horizontal alignment of this column and make it to the end. So the all content which is in the in this column will be goes to the right. So this is it. Our all the components, the background, shadow images are on their place, and the text and icon, app icon is on the place. So the next thing was we need to make this centered, make this one centered and vertically centered, and make these components at the bottom of the screen So for that we will use vertical arrangement and space between property, so it will put the equal space between these components, all which is possible. So this is how our components are showing perfectly here. So let's run this app and see this UI on a physical device. So here is physical device connected here. Okay, actually I need to run this component screen here. So I will click first time I will click on this play icon here. So now all the things are showing as expected here, but few things are disturbing. The bottom images are not on the bottom, and this thing is taking full screen of the actually the full width of the screen. There should be a padding between the left and right side of this row. So for that I will come back to our design here, and here I will set the padding. And run it again. So this is looks good here. Actually I need to increase more padding here. Let's make it 20. Now it's reasonable here according to our design. In our design we have actually more space here, so I need to make it increase it. So let's see how much space do we have it here. So what is the space of this one from here to it's around width is 61 here, here is 67, it's around 62 to 65. So let's remove these and make our horizontal padding to 60 and run it on the device. So this is good. Now the next is we need to fix this bottom, actually it's not a issue, these are the buttons here. I haven't observed on the visor screen here. So this is our design. It's showing perfectly according to the, no, it's not showing perfectly actually. There is a difference in this icon and event hub size. So let's find out what is the height of this. Is 47 width and height is 50.18. So let's make it 48 and 50. $48 50 dp. Now run it again. Okay, so now it's perfect as per our design. Event hub, left, bottom right, top right. So now I will revert this color back to the original ones. Come on, take this line, this and this one. Now run it again. So now this screen is according to our screen design, but one thing you may have noticed that this text and icon are not centered to the screen. Here these are centered, but here it's not centered. So this is the issue will being here all the time. This is because we only have learned about the column and rows yet. So in column we have constraints like we can show the items vertically and every item will be vertically aligned, arranged, and these kind of operations we can perform. But to achieve these things according to our design that we have in the Figma file, it should be some other ways to achieve this, because here if we have here these two images here, and on top we have one image here and it's there, and we have to make these things aligned, and according to the design we have set the property here in the column named as vertical arrangement, space between. So these are the this is a property we can use to make and arrange items and things in the column. So if we want to remove this issue and make it centered according to our design, so in the next lectures we will learn about another component which is constraint layout. So in that constraint layout component we can have more options to arrange and align things in your layout, which is mostly used for complex layout, or although it's a simple layout, but we need to implement this layout using constraint layout. So we will revamp this screen in the next videos when we will understand the how constraint layouts work. All right, and so So this is it for this lecture. So in this lecture we have made this splash screen using the compose components which we have learned in previous lectures. So this is how our design looks like. So the link to this design Figma design file is given in the description below, and the this current code is also available in the on the GitHub. You can check it out. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.